Venus, the cloud-swaddled planet, our nearest planetary neighbor and often referred to as the Earth's twin. But let's put it like this. In some ways, it is more an opposite of Earth than a twin. Venus spins backward, has a day longer than its year, and lacks any semblance of seasons. It might once have been a habitable ocean world, like Earth, but that was at least 1 billion years ago, thanks to the runaway greenhouse effect. Buckle up for a tremendous journey as we discover the most hellish planet in our solar system, Venus. Number 1. Extreme atmosphere. Venus' atmosphere is so thick that it intensifies the greenhouse effect. The high concentration of carbon dioxide traps heat, causing a surface temperature hot enough to melt lead. The clouds in Venus's atmosphere are primarily made of sulfuric acid droplets. These clouds play a crucial role in reflecting sunlight back into space, contributing to Venus's high albedo, which is the measure of how much sunlight a planet reflects. The thick clouds also make the planet's surface difficult to observe directly. Despite its slow rotation, Venus experiences incredibly high-speed winds in its upper atmosphere. The winds can reach speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour, 224 miles per hour. The fast-moving atmosphere creates a super rotation, where the atmosphere rotates much faster than the planet itself. Number 2. Retrograde rotation. Venus rotates on its axis from east to west, the opposite direction of most planets in the solar system, including Earth. This retrograde rotation is still not completely understood and remains a topic of scientific investigation. The cause of Venus's unique spin is believed to be influenced by complex interactions during its early formation. There's a possibility that Venus is in a state of tidal locking with the Sun, meaning the same side always faces the Sun. While this is not confirmed, it adds an intriguing layer to Venus's rotational dynamics and could explain its retrograde rotation. Due to its retrograde rotation, if you were standing on the surface of Venus, you would witness the Sun rising in the west and setting in the east. This is the opposite of what we experience on Earth and most other planets. Number 3. Lengthy day and night. Venus has an exceptionally slow rotation on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. This is longer than it takes for Venus to complete one orbit around the Sun, making a day on Venus, from one sunrise to the next, shorter than its year. The solar day on Venus, based on its sunrise to sunrise cycle, is about 117 Earth days long. However, the sidereal day, based on its rotation relative to distant stars, is about 243 Earth days. This discrepancy is due to Venus's retrograde rotation. On Venus, the transition between day and night is gradual, not sudden. This is because the thick atmosphere scatters sunlight, creating a diffused twilight that lingers for a long duration after sunset and before sunrise. Number 4. Volcanic activity. Mount Mons is one of Venus's prominent shield volcanoes, reaching heights of about 8 kilometers, 5 miles. It is believed to be one of the most recently active volcanoes on the planet. Venus's volcanic activity is not limited to specific regions, but is distributed across the entire planet. The presence of volcanic plains suggests a history of extensive volcanic eruptions shaping the planet's surface, creating vast lava plains and unique geological structures. Number 5. Vanera VII. Launched by the Soviet Union in 1970, Vanera VII made history as the first spacecraft to land on Venus and transmit data from its surface. It revealed extreme conditions, including scorching temperatures over 465 degrees Celsius. The transmission, lasting 23 minutes, marked a milestone in space exploration, opening the door for further missions to study Venus. Vanera VII's success significantly contributed to our understanding of Earth's neighboring planet. Thank you for joining us on this space adventure. There's a universe of exploration ahead. Stay tuned and subscribe for new videos featuring Space 5.